Hi, my name is Susan Gilbert with Online Promotion Success, and today we're going to talk about how to make your Facebook profile picture say something. Now, your picture can say something in a few different ways. One way is, what image do you want to project to people? If it's a professional profile that you're using, it's not just for friends and family, you want to use a good photo, and that doesn't mean it can't be a fun photo. I'm going to show you what mine looks like on my profile here. I've got my picture where I was holding one of my little dogs and I was inside a small aircraft, and then my timeline photo supports, of course, a more business approach. But the profile picture itself, which of course stays with me as I go out and make posts, is fun, but it's still professional. Now, I'm going to show you a picture of myself in the snow with one of my little dogs. And while this is fun and might be appropriate for a personal account, it's not necessarily something that I want to go out and make comments on business pages as this showing my professional image. So your profile picture can say things without there being words associated with it. Now, if you'd like to add text to a photo and have a photo that you place on your profile say something, I'm going to show you how to do that next. Okay, so there's a website called PicFont, PicFont.com, and you can either upload a photo there or enter a domain name where a photo might be located. And after we upload a photo, we're going to be able to edit it. So let's pull up that same photo, and after uploading the photo, we then can add text and say, "Brr, it's cold." We can choose the font and the color of it, and let's just make this, well, it's already at 30 there. Let's make it 95 and say, "Brr, it's cold." And so now we've made your photo say something in an entirely different way by adding text. And at this point, we can download the photo and save it with the new text available to it. So my name is Susan Gilbert with Online Promotion Success, and we just talked about how to make your Facebook profile photo say something.